Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mac and cheese pasta at home, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Also, have 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and a pinch of salt and pepper ready. This simple list ensures a creamy, comforting dish every time. Now let's get cooking. Begin by boiling 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then drain it well. While the pasta cooks, start your cheese sauce base. In a medium saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a smooth, golden roux. This forms the foundation of your rich sauce. With your roux ready, it's time to build that luscious cheese sauce. Slowly whisk in 2 cups of milk, making sure to incorporate it fully to avoid any lumps. Continue cooking and stirring constantly over medium heat for approximately 5 minutes, until the sauce visibly thickens. Finally, remove the pan from the heat and stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and wonderfully smooth. The moment you've been waiting for. Gently add your cooked and drained elbow macaroni into the creamy cheese sauce. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring every piece of pasta is beautifully coated. Now, season your masterpiece with about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Serve your warm, comforting homemade mac and cheese immediately and enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.